Hello everyone, welcome back to Must Have Mustangs. Today we're gonna fix the blower motor on HVAC on 2005 to 14. Oh shit. The main reason I'm replacing it today is because it sounds like this. So let's put this up. Yeah, I hope you guys can hear that, but that does get really annoying when you're driving, and a new blower motor doesn't cost much, and it's only 3 bolts and a connector that you gotta take out. You don't even gotta remove any of the trims, and I'll walk you guys through it. So this is what a blower motor looks like. I just ordered this off eBay. It took about a week to get here. 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts, and that's where the connector goes, and that's about it. I mean, it goes up this way, and you do have to put it the way it goes in, because this hole runs into something. I'm not sure what. Right here, that's the connector for the blower motor, and this one, it looks like a actuator connector, something like that. I'm gonna remove that anyways because it's in the way, and I'll be taking the screws. Where are they? 1 and then 2, and the third one is right there in the back. As you guys can see, there's like some water. It probably leaked some water in here before, that's why it's making that noise, but we'll replace that, and afterwards I'll check my cabin filter, make sure that one is good, so the new motor doesn't get all ruined. All you gotta do is over there, press the tab, and then pull on that. There you go. Same with this one over here. Press the tab and kind of rock it out. There you go. Move them out the way. All right, 1, 2, and the third one. Kind of hold it in, just like that. Here's the old motor. You can hear it's making some noise. That's what I was talking about right there. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the side and go grab the new one and snap it in there. I want to point out something real quick. If you guys look at the new one down here, this looks like it's closed off, maybe to prevent moisture from going in there. I'm not sure about up here, but this one is closed off, and on the other one it was open, exposed, and looked like some rusty water came out of that one. This would go, the thing here is gonna go up in that right there. You see that? Okay, let's see. Alright, it looks like it just snapped in there. Let's keep in mind that these are threading into plastic, so be careful on how you're doing it. As you can see, they're not all the way in there because I'm not sure that the motor is sitting right. All right, I'm gonna run this one in here too. Okay, I'm gonna put my drill on lower setting to make sure it's all good. That looks solid. Alright, let's plug this stuff back in. Make sure it snaps in place. All good. Alright, key on. Okay, on. All you hear is air blowing. It's on. guys don't hear that noise anymore, the hissing noise. Alright, let's go ahead and check the cabin filter. I'll show you guys how to check that one. Cabin filter is located inside this panel, so what we're gonna have to do is take these clips off. They kind of just screw out. There's 1, 2, I think, and then it like clips with that other one. It's two separated ones. So I took off the two pins, and then this one just like unclips up, as you can see. There you go, there's clips in there. There's like about 4 or 5 of them that go all the way around. And this right here is the cabin filter. It clips onto this piece, and then you just unclip it and pull it out. It's dirty. I want to show you something that's a big problem with S197s, and you get water leak into the passenger footwell sometimes, and this is the problem. A lot of people chase around, but let me show you what the problem is. Alright, you see that? All that collects in there, and there's a rubber grommet inside there that gets clogged up, and everything gets down in there. What I did with my last Mustang was I took that grommet off to prevent anything from getting stuck there. So I'm about to do that right now. That's where the rubber grommet would go. Unfortunately, I couldn't pull it out to show you guys, but I had to push it right in. It falls on the floor or something somewhere down there. And I cleaned up some of that gunk. I gotta clean up the rest, but that's where the hole is. And then when that's clogged up, this whole cowl fills up with water, and it goes inside your cabin, and it ruins the blower motor. Yep, so that's a little tip for you guys to save some maintenance down the road. Thank you guys for watching, and that concludes the video of replacing the blower motor and cabin filter and cleaning up the cowl area. I appreciate. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it for more content, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.